Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is 1480 plus CDR business templates, but these are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, buy now for lifetime, and here is my Facebook page. Last is Telegram channel, Sheri official. Okay, here is 50 business card in one file. Backside, so you can change anything. Okay, page 9, 10, 12. So you can do anything. Next is here is 81 visiting card, 31 front back visiting card, and here is 1400. Total file is 2800, but front and back. So you can do anything. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password. Take care. Allah Hafiz.